never give up an amazing story. A sparrow named Pip dreamed of building a nest on the tallest tree in the forest, despite the strong winds. Other birds mocked him, saying it was impossible. Pip's first attempts failed, the wind scattered his twigs, and rain washed away his efforts. Determined, Pip tried again and again. He studied the wind, choosing sturdy branches and weaving his nest tighter each time. Slowly, he improved. After weeks of persistence, Pip's nest stood firm atop the tallest tree. The other birds marveled at his accomplishment. Moral: no matter how hard the journey seems, perseverance can turn dreams into reality. Thank you for watching.